Let's taking a closer look at Malaysia, a vibrant and dynamic nation located in Southeast Asia. Known for its unique geography, Malaysia consists of Peninsular Malaysia and East Malaysia situated on the large island of Borneo. As of the first quarter 2024, this diverse country is home to approximately 34 million people, with nearly 80% residing in Peninsular Malaysia. Demographically, the Bumiputra group, including Malays and indigenous communities, form the majority at 69.9%, while the Chinese and Indian communities contribute significantly at 22.8% and 6.6%, respectively. It's a youthful and vibrant population with over 69% in the working age group of 15 to 64 years. Urbanization is a hallmark of modern Malaysia, with nearly 77% of the population living in the bustling cities as of 2024. Economically, Malaysia continues to be a beacon of resilience in the region. In the third quarter of 2024, the nation's GDP grew by 5.3%, while this reflects slight cooling from previous quarter 5.9%. It remains a testament to the country's economic fundamentals, despite challenges such as reduced oil and gas output. Looking ahead, fiscal reform are on the horizon for 2025, with the government introducing new taxes and restructuring subsidies. These measures aim to narrow the fiscal deficit from 4.3% to 3.8% of GDP, demonstrating a commitment to long-term sustainability. Inflation remains under control at 1.8%, offering a stable environment for both business and consumers. Additionally, the unemployment rate has risen to the pre-pandemic levels, now standing at 3.3%, a promising sign of recovery and growth. Malaysia's culture perhaps its most captivating feature, with its official religion being Islam practiced by 63.5% of the population. The country also embraced Buddhism, Christianity, Hinduism, and the other faiths. This diversity is beautifully reflected in its festivals such as Hari Raya Idul Fitri, Chinese New Year, Deepavali, and Christmas. It's celebrated with equal enthusiasm and unity. And of course, who can forget Malaysia cuisine, a delightful blend of flavors from its multicultural heritage, with dishes like nasi lemak, char kway teow, and roti canai taking center stage. Malaysia's strategic location, demographic diversity, and sound of economic policies are driving its evolution as a dynamic and prosperous nation. Its commitment to inclusivity and harmony sets a shining example for the world. Now, let's getting now deeper about Malaysia, accompanied by my friends to the next sections.
Malaysia's strategic location is truly unparalleled. Sitting at the crossroads of Southeast Asia, it commands a prime position along the Strait of Malacca, one of the most world's vital maritime trade routes. This advantage ensures Malaysia plays a pivotal role in global logistics, connecting markets in Asia, the Middle East, and Europe. Beyond the sea trade, Malaysia's well-connected airport and highways enhance its position as a transit hub for both goods and people, with Port Klang and Tanjung Pelepasan ranking among the top transshipment hubs globally. Another key strength lies in Malaysia's diverse economy, which is robust and multifaceted. Three core sectors, including electronics and semiconductor. The electrical and electronics sector accounted for some 5.8% of the country's gross domestic product last year. On the global stage, Malaysia is recognized as the sixth largest exporter of semiconductor, commanding 13% of the global market for semiconductors packaging, assembly, and testing, while driving 40% of the nation's export output. The second one is oil and gas. Malaysia, through Petronas, its state-owned energy company, is among the top exporters of liquefied natural gas or LNG. As the fifth largest LNG exporter globally, Malaysia caters to energy needs in Japan, South Korea, and China. The third one is palm oil and rubber product. Malaysia is the world's second largest exporter of palm oil, meeting rising global demand for edible oils, cosmetic, and biofuel. The Malaysian Sustainability Palm Oil or MSPO certification has been pivotal in addressing environmental concerns and ensuring sustainable production practice. In the rubber industry, Malaysia dominates the global market in medical gloves, with demand skyrocketing during the COVID-19 pandemic. Let's talk about Malaysia's skilled and multilingual workforce. Education is a cornerstone of Malaysia's growth, with a literacy rate exceeding 95%. Many Malaysians are fluent in English, alongside Malay, Mandarin, and Tamil, which bridges communication with major global markets. This multilingual capability is particularly attractive for multinational corporations seeking a workforce capable of navigating international business. Malaysia's pro-business environment is a magnet for investors. The government offers attractive tax incentives such as the Pioneer Status Program, which grants tax exemption for up to 10 years for companies in key sectors. Special economic zones like Iskandar Malaysia provide world-class infrastructure and reduce tax rates, making it easier for business to set up and thrive. Malaysia's cultural diversity and natural beauty are integral to its competitive edge. With a harmonious blend of Malay, Chinese, Indian, and indigenous traditions, Malaysia offers a unique cultural experience that attracts millions of tourists annually. But tourism isn't just about leisure. Malaysia is also a leader in medical tourism, with world-class healthcare facilities combined with competitive pricing make Malaysia a top destination for those seeking high-quality medical treatment. Malaysia's international trade policy is deeply rooted in its strategic geographic location and its role as a global trade facilitator. To capitalize on this, Malaysia has adopted a mix of open trade policy, regional integration initiative, and export-oriented strategy, making it one of the most trade-dependent economies in the world. Malaysia's trade policies are meticulously designed to fuel its export-driven economy, which thrives on three core sectors such as electronics and semiconductors, oil and gas, and palm oil and rubbers. Supporting this export are comprehensive policies such as the National Trade Blueprint or NTBP, Monday, October 25, 2021, Kuala Lumpur. Prime Minister Dato Sri Ismail Sabri bin Yaakob has launched the National Trade Blueprint or NTBP, a blueprint to increase Malaysia's trade competitiveness through improved business ecosystem. The blueprint outlines a 5-year from 2021 to 2025 development strategy and initiative to enhance Malaysia's trade competitiveness, especially in the export of merchandise. The blueprint aims to position Malaysia as a dynamic and preeminent trading nation through sustainable export development. The third industrial master plan focusing on advancing high-value manufacturing industry to ensure Malaysia remains competitive in global supply chain. Malaysia's commitment to regional and international trade agreements reflects its dedication to fostering economic growth through integration. The ASEAN Free Trade Area has eliminated tariffs on over 99% of the products traded within the region, providing access to markets of 660 million people. The Regional Comprehensive Economic Partnership, covering 30% of the global GDP, reduced tariff and simplified trade procedures across Asia Pacific, strengthening Malaysia's ties with China, Japan, and Australia. Meanwhile, the Comprehensive and Progressive Agreement of Trans-Pacific Partnership, or CPTPP, opens trade with high-income countries like Canada and Japan, while enhancing intellectual property and labor standards. Malaysia's trade policy are bolstered by pro-business framework that attract investment and facilitate export. The Investment Promotion Act offers tax incentives such as holiday and allowance to encourage local and foreign investment in key sectors like green technology and manufacturing. Additionally, special economic zones like Iskandar Malaysia and East Coast Economic Region provide advanced infrastructure, favorable tax regime, and efficient trade facilitation, drawing billions of dollars in foreign direct investment from countries such as the US, China, and Europe. Malaysia's trade infrastructure is cornerstone of its global trade competitiveness. The 11 Malaysia Plan, covering the period of 2016 to 2020, was designed to set the foundation for Malaysia's journey towards becoming an advanced and inclusive nation by 2020. The Port Klang expansion under the 11 Plan aims to increase infrastructure capacity and green growth initiative, reinforcing its status as the 12th busiest container port. The Digital Free Trade Zone or DFTZ, in partnership with Alibaba, support e-commerce and connect SMEs to global market. The 12th plan development during and after COVID-19 pandemic focused on resetting the economy, strengthening security, well-being, and inclusivity, and advancing sustainability. It reflects a shift toward rebuilding post-pandemic, addressing inequalities, and adopting sustainable low-carbon growth strategies.
Malaysia continues to attract significant FDI despite a global economic slowdown. In 2023, FDI inflows stood at 40.4 billion ringgit, a decline from the previous year, 75.4 billion ringgit. This decrease reflects global economic challenges, but Malaysia's FDI stock reached an impressive 926 billion ringgit, which account for 50.8% of GDP. This demonstrates Malaysia's strong and sustained attractiveness to investors. Key sectors that continue to attract FDI includes electronics and semiconductors, where companies like Intel and AMD play a major role. The oil and gas sector, with Petronas as a leading LNG exporter, and palm oil, where Malaysia ranks as the second largest producer globally, remains pillars of Malaysia's investment appeal. Malaysia's trade-to-GDP ratio exceeds 100%, emphasizing its deep integration into global trade networks. The country's exports, including electronics, palm oil, and LNG, are key drivers of economic growth. Malaysia's participation in regional trade agreements such as the Asian Free Trade Area, Regional Comprehensive Economic Partnership, and Comprehensive and Progressive Agreement for Trans-Pacific Partnership eliminates tariff and streamlines trade process, bolstering its position as competitive exporter. Let's take a look at some success stories. Intel has been a significant player in Malaysia since 1970s, transforming Penang into a semiconductor hub. The Petronas Saudi Aramco Rapid project in Johor inherits Malaysia's role in the global energy sector, while Tesla's expansion into Malaysia highlights the growing interest in electric vehicle and renewable energy. Bank Negara Malaysia (BNM), the country's central bank, is key to economic stability. BNM is responsible for monetary policy, setting for OPR to control inflation and stabilize the economy. It also manages the Malaysian ringgit and plays a role in regulating the financial system to ensure stability. The Malaysian ringgit has seen fluctuation, primarily due to global oil price movements, given Malaysia's position as an oil exporter. While the Malaysian ringgit faced volatility over the past decade, BNM's intervention have stabilized the currency in recent years, supporting Malaysia's international competitiveness. In 2023, Malaysia saw moderate inflation, which was managed through expansionary monetary policies. BNM kept the OPR low to stimulate economic recovery post-pandemic. This strategy encouraged investment and spending, helping Malaysia return to a stable growth trajectory.